Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Loraine Marshall at Make Money Online Niches. And you can visit my website, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com. And that will be in the description box below this video. Now, today I'm going to review a product by the name of Send2Bank. Now this product is launching today, Saturday the 2nd of October at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. Now that is 5 PM in Spain and 4 PM in the UK. Now what Send2Bank is, it's a cloud-based software that is an autoresponder, and it can send unlimited emails to your list, and there's no restrictions on the number of emails that you can have within the list. Not like some of the software you buy, the autoresponders, like the mainstream sort of Aweber that a lot of affiliate marketers use. For example, that could cost you anything from $19.99 a month for a small list of up to 500 subscribers, and then up to $70 a month for a list that is between 5 and 10,000. And so you can see obviously that can run into hundreds of dollars per year to keep subscribed to these autoresponders. Now, what I want to do today then is have a look at the sales page for Send2Bank, and then we'll have a look at all the bonuses that I have available if you decide to pick up Send2Bank through my link, which will be the first link in the description box below this video. And then what I can do is I'll show you the members dashboard for Send2Bank, which I have got access to. I won't be setting up any campaigns or any emails or anything like that, but just to give you an idea of what the product looks like from the inside. Now let's go over to the sales page. Okay, so here we are on the sales page for Send2Bank, and as you can see, first thing that we can see is that there is a coupon off, which is on a timer, and this timer has already hit 0, but I think it gives you 4 to 5 minutes to make a decision on whether or not you want a discount, which is $4 discount. Now, so that's the first thing that we notice. So if I can just click off that, then we can get to see what the sales page says. So basically it's saying it's the world's most affiliate friendly email autoresponder, limitless functionality and a huge profit potential, and an unbeatable one-time price. So basically that you buy it and use it, and there's no monthly ongoing fees to pay. So that sounds really good to me. Anyway, this is the sales page, and here you've got well, a problem. Seems like there isn't a video there, but anyway, then you've got instant access to Send2Bank for $19, one time, low price, and a low investment, no monthly fees, like I say. And there's more information about the product itself, how you can send unlimited emails, how you've got done for you templates, you've got smart AI, industry leading artificial intelligence in smart technology, you've got unrestricted uploads of any email list that you've already got, high deliverability, so your high inbox deliverable rates, drag and drop email builder, affiliate friendly, so while competitors are working out against affiliates, like MailChimp doesn't allow affiliate marketers on their platform, you can be easily banned. This one is affiliate friendly, and it's a low one-time cost. So that is just some of the claims on the sales page for Send2Bank. Now, what we can do is we can go and take a look at the bonus page and the bonuses I have available. So here is my bonus page for Send2Bank, and we quickly have a look at the front end price. Now it's saying here Centre Bank is $14.93. So with the $4 coupon, you can get this for just over $10. So you've got an upsell of $37 and another upsell at $37. Done for you account at number 3, which is $197. And there's downsells on all of these as well, as you can see. Now we've got upsell 4, $47, upsell 5, $197, upsell 6, white label of the product, which is $997, or downsell at $497. Then you've got your reseller rights at $47, and your traffic saver pack is number 8 at $27, and number 9 is Centre Bank, the Gold Mine 1K Club, which I'm not sure what that is, but obviously it will probably tell you when you go through this funnel. So here are the bonuses I have available with Centre Bank. So bonus number 1 is 35 bonuses to use in promotions, which is fabulous. Number 2 is make pro review videos using a launch jacker method. So that's another great bonus. And bonus number 3 is learn how to do proper email marketing. Well, this will work fantastic with this product, which is Centre Bank, and it's an autoresponder. So there you go. You're going to have extra learning on top of purchasing this product. And then number 4 is access to Enigma. Now, this is only for the first 12 hours, and it's one of John Armstrong's products. So that is Enigma. And you will still receive all of the vendor bonuses when you pick up Centre Bank through my link, which will be the first link in the description box below this video. So, right, okay, let's have a quick look at the members dashboard for Centre Bank. This is the members dashboard, and basically you've got how to create lists here at the side. Then you've got your recipients. You've got you can add new people in through your email list, import your new emails. If you've already got a list, import your list. So that's recipients. Then you've got campaigns, where you can create new campaigns, set up for split tests, run your schedules. And then you've got automation, which is different segments that you can use. Forms and pages here, where you can link into web forms and your emails. And then you've got templates available. So you've got your builders, template builders, and you can create these. Put your logos in, little segments of information there that you've got there, just to build the short templates that you want to send out. So this is the inside of Centre Bank. And like I say, for the one time that you're paying, it's going to save you a lot of money on traditional autoresponders like Aweber or GetResponse, because obviously it's a one-time payment and it's an unlimited email out. Now this product had been brought to us by Cheeseman and David Kirby, and so these are the people who created this product. And like I say, it's going live today on 2nd of October, Saturday 2nd of October, 11 AM EST, which is 5 o'clock in Spain and 4 PM in the UK. So that's about it for this review, folks. And if you like these review videos, just give me the like, thumbs up, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. You'll be notified whenever I upload a new review video or any online tutorials, which I am going to be getting into the online tutorials very soon. So that's it for now, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.